At times, you may need to adjust the price of a work order. For example, let's say your team went out to a client's house and the client reduced the scope of the job because they decided they no longer wanted a door frame painted, for example. We can adjust our sold work order to change the price to reflect the change in scope by finding the work order that we need to change, clicking into it, clicking Edit Price. From there, if we wanted to increase the price, we would leave this plus symbol. If we want to reduce it, we would click the minus symbol. For this example, we'll say that we are taking $500 off the price of our work order. You have to write an explanation. We will say, client no longer needs door frame painted. And we will submit this price change to our subcontractor. Because the work order represents a contract between yourself and the subcontractor will have to review this price change on their end and approve it. But once both parties have approved the price change, you will see the price change reflected in your invoice, and the price of this work order will change to be $2,000.